This channel is gaining millions of views and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Currently, videos with dancing noodles are going viral, and I will share with you the way to create such videos. Let's not waste any time and start right away. First of all, to create such a video, you need to generate several images of dancing noodles, and for this you will need good hints. Don't worry, I'll tell you how to get an unlimited number of hints. I will use ChatGPT to generate them. After logging into ChatGPT, enter the following phrase. The hint should look something like this. Then I will enter the hint template, and after entering it, press the Enter key. That's it, our tips are ready. They are so high quality that now you can receive an unlimited number of new hints. For example, if you type, "Give me 10 more hints," ChatGPT will start creating additional hints for us, and now 10 new ones are ready. Now you can generate as many hints as you want to create your images using ChatGPT. So our tips are ready. Now it's time to create images using pre-prepared prompts. You can use any image generator, and I, for example, will choose Leonardo AI. On the image creation page, first of all, select the appropriate generation model. In this case, I will use one of the Leonardo AI models to get the best results. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so that the image matches the desired parameters. In the input field, copy one of the prompts that were generated in ChatGPT and paste it. After that, click the Generate button, and after a while the image will be ready. Skip the waiting time, and here it is, Leonardo. AI has created an image for us that is perfect for our video. Repeat this process for all required images. After all the images are ready, download them to your device. That's it, our images are ready. Now we have to create a video from these images. To get started, go to Immersion AI and upload the image you want to animate. Wait for a while the system processes and animates the image. Once the animation is ready, you will have the opportunity to customize it to your preferences. After you are done with the settings, save the animated image to your device. Repeat this process for each image. Now let's move on to the final step, editing the video. To do this, I use the CapCut editor, which offers a user-friendly interface. First, open the video editor and import all the necessary clips. After downloading the clips, add them to the timeline, arranging them in the desired sequence. For short videos, I recommend making videos up to 1 minute long. If you have more materials, you can split them into several parts and create separate videos. After all the clips are placed on the scale, add transitions between scenes to improve the smoothness and visual effect. In the CapCut transition library, you will find a large selection of different transitions. Choose the ones that best suit your video. There are no rules in choosing transitions, so you can add what you like and fits the style. Now almost everything is ready. All that remains is to add background music to make the video more attractive and atmospheric. To do this, go to the Pixabay website, where you can find music without copyrights. Choose the music that suits the mood of your video, download it, and import it into CapCut. Adjust the duration of the music according to the duration of the video clips so that they synchronize. When all the elements are ready and configured, click the Export button. Now you can export the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.